If you're looking for a free AI video tool, then this video is for you. I'm here to introduce to you a new AI tool that you can play around with without wasting any more of your time. Let's get to it. Alright, so once you go to Vidu.studio, it will bring you to this page once you've registered. If you click on create video, this is where you'll find the section where you're able to generate new videos. And on this section, you'll see the videos that you've already generated. If you go to my creation here, you will see all the videos that you've generated so far. All right, so this one was the first video that I started generating. I generated using this reference image, as you can see here, which was used as the first frame of the video. I also used text prompt for this, and from that, this is what I got. All right, so the video starts, you can see the car moving nicely, and then it disappears, and all we can see is the mountains, and from afar, you see the car again. I didn't like that, so I thought, okay, let me generate another one and see what comes up. This time, I wasn't gonna use a text prompt and use the same reference image as the first frame. This is what I got, which was so much better. But as you can see from when the car is moving, you can see it's sort of morphing a little bit. So the good thing is that you have the option to upscale your video, which can improve the quality of the video, and that's what I did. And from that, this is what I got. Much better quality. The car is not morphing as much. Another thing, I used the same reference image to generate another video, but that time I used Gen 3, as you can see. So this one is from Vido and this one is from Gen 3, and if you can see the two, I actually prefer the one that was generated using Vido. Amazing. All right, so another test that I done was this one as my first one, and for this one I used this one as a reference image, which was used as the first frame of the video. And for this I used a prompt alongside the image, and the prompt is natural movements, the man is smiling as he talks. And for that, this is what I got. And as you can see from it, the teeth looks a bit messed up, and there's also this lady who's walking here, and you can see she's morphing, and there's something else here as well. I decided to upscale this video to see how the quality would improve if I did that. And once I did that, this is what I got, which is so much better. As you can see, it's fixed up the teeth. The lady who's moving at the back, she's still morphing, but nevertheless, the quality of the video is much more better compared to the last one. So that's good. And I also generated this one, but for this one, I used the same reference image, but this time, instead of using it for the first frame, I used it for the character reference, which is supposed to generate a consistent character. And for that, this is what I got. The quality is not good, just like the other one. But if I'm going to compare the people that are moving at the back, I actually prefer this type of background, because you can see everyone is minding their own business. They're going, you cannot see any morphing. He's walking forward and they're walking facing the other side, which is amazing. And if I was to upscale this, let's just see what happens. There's two types of upscale. So you can either have a stable upscale or you can have a creative upscale. But in order to have a creative upscale, you have to have a pro account, which I don't have. So I'm going to use just the one that they have here, which is the stable one. And I'm going to click on upscale and let's see what that gives us. Since I'm using free credits, it's putting me in a queue. If you don't want to wait in a queue, then you can upgrade and your images will be generated first and you don't have to wait. But for me, for this video, it really doesn't matter. I'm happy using the free version of this. And what they do, they give you 80 credits in the beginning. Each video generates using 4 credits, which gives you around 20 videos a month. All right, so this is the new video that has just been upscaled, and let's see if the quality has improved. Ooh, that's amazing. The teeth has been fixed up, the people walking, amazing. If, to be honest, I think the character still looks the same between these two, the one that used the image as the first frame or this one that's using the image as the character reference. I actually prefer this one way better than the other one. Again, amazing. I liked it. All right, let's do some testing and see what we can generate. I will upload an image And like I said, Vidu will give you the option to use your image as the first frame of your video, or you can use it as a character reference. But for this one, it's a fashion show. I'll use it as the first frame of the video. And if you come here, you can either create a 4-second video or you can create an 8-second video. But if you don't have a pro account, then you can only generate 4-second videos, which I'm happy to do for the sake of this video. That's the image. We're using it as the first frame of the video. And I'm gonna add a prompt to this, and I'll just say a model walking in a fashion show. And you also have this option here, which is an option for you to enhance your prompt. I'll just click it if it helps, and I'll click on create. Again, it uses 4 credits like I mentioned before. All right, so one thing I've realized, when you're using it, it does tell you that you've gone past the limit and you're not able to use it because the system is overloaded. But what I realized, if I click on OK and I do this again, it will generate the video for me. The video is ready, and let's see. Here we go. All right, so that's a bit much. You can see the model is morphing and she's walking a bit too fast. I'll try and do this again. I've got the image there, so I'm gonna generate another video, but then this time I'm not gonna put any prompt in, and again I'm still gonna use it as the first frame of the video, and I'll create and see how that goes. That's generating. All right, so here it's ready. That's so much better. It looks like the face is morphing a little bit, and if you look at this character, they morph and then they disappear and they're nowhere to be seen. But nevertheless, it's better than this our previous one. All right, so if I try and upscale this video, and then we'll see if we'll be able to get a better version of this video. And there it's generating. The upscale is finished. The quality is much better, but then the face seems to be changing for me. It feels like it's changing a little bit, but again it's much better than the other one. When it comes to the morphing here, I don't think that has been resolved. For this other one, I want to try the character reference and see if I'll get a consistent character. Vidu does say for you to get a consistent character, it will work better on an anime. I've uploaded the anime image, and let's just see what we can get from this. I'll just click on create. But this is funny. This is the response I got, so I guess you all know not to create certain type of videos. All right, so I'll upload another anime image, and hopefully this one will work. So we're doing the character reference, and I'll just go straight to create, and I'm in queue. It's creating. That's what it's giving us, and I don't understand. To me this looks like a man. I want to see if it actually understands this is a lady. So what I'll do, I'll bring in the same image, and I'll see if it has the problem with the image that I'm using. I will not use it for character reference because I think it gave me a problem there. I'll use it as the first frame and see what it does. The video is ready. When we use it as a first frame, it does understand this is a woman, she's wearing red. Regardless of what this video gave us, to me it does not look like the same person compared to the other video of the other guy who was wearing the orange. But I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna try one more time, and that's that. I've got the image there. I've got it for use for character reference, and I'm just gonna create and just see. Again, this is what we have. So I don't understand what this has to do with the image of what we just fed it. All right, so that's that for me with this video. And I have to say, Vidu is a fairly new tool, and with every tool, when it starts, it's not perfect, but with every update, it improves every time. But I'm looking forward to hearing what experiences that you've had and what you think I did wrong with my test. But again, this is just to show you the basics, introduce you to a new tool, and that's that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe for some more videos like this. Don't forget to give me a like, and if you have anything to say, I want to hear from you. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Until next time, my name is Abigail. Bye bye.